Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to install Java JDK 25 on your Windows 11 computer. So to do that, first of all, open your browser. Here I'm using Google Chrome, and in the search bar type Oracle Java. Now in the first page you will see the first result, that is www.oracle.com, and you'll see something like Java software, and click on that. Now you can see download Java option in the first page. Now you're gonna scroll down and select your operating system. Here we are using the Windows OS, so we are selecting the Windows and select the software version according to your architecture. My PC is 64-bit operating system, so I'm choosing the 64-bit installer. Now wait for the download. Here you can see the download is on progress. Now we're gonna wait until the download finishes. Here you can see the download has been done, and we're going to open the folder, and here you can see the exe file, that is JDK 25 for 64-bit architecture. And now double click on that and click on yes in the permission box. Here you can see the installer is opened, and click on next. Don't change the installation path, leave it as it is, and click on next. Now the installation is on progress. Okay, now we can see the installation has been finished, and just tap on close, and the installation has been done. But now we need to do some other stuff. Go to the installation location where the file has been installed, that is the C drive, program files, Java, and then JDK 25, and then the folder bin. Now copy the installation path from the file explorer. Now we are gonna click on the Windows button, and we are gonna type in the search box, that is environment, or edit the system environment variables. We're gonna type it, and in the first section we're going to get now in the pop-up window, just click on environment variables, and here you can see a new window pops up over here, and double click on path, then click on new, and now just simply paste the copied path that we have copied from the Windows Explorer. And now we're done with that. Click on OK, and finally click on OK. Now we are done with the Java 25 installation, and we're going to test it if it's installed properly or not. Now we're going to click on the Windows and run the command prompt. Here we're going to type a command. Now let's type Java space dash dash, then version, VERSION, and then hit enter. And here you can see your installed Java version, that is Java 25.0.1, and in the screen it says that your Java has been successfully installed. Now we can verify that our installation has been done. Thank you for watching.